Hello guys, I'm back with a new episode. In this episode I'm gonna be looking at the brake caliper bracket that I got laser cut from EDA line, a sponsor of mine. Right now I'm making something to eat because I didn't feel like buying a pizza, so I just took this thing out and now I'm making some sausages, and I think I'm going to turn the heat down because it was warm. Listen to this. I think they're all done. One of them is, so let that cook for a bit more. So in order to get this to work, the RPMs and everything, I need to drill some holes. This one, so he can send a signal to the computer and show my RPMs. So I have drilled one hole there and one hole over here. It's like 10 millimeters, and then I'm gonna mount this like over here somewhere. I have 2 more to go, and then I can start making a bracket for this one. It's gonna sit over here somewhere. On my way home, and look outside. I'm just saying it's gonna be a very nice trip home. It's a very good thing I have a working e-brake on my Toyota, so gonna be good. So good day guys, it's day 2. It's a very good cold weather today. It's snow outside and everything, and I'm lit up as you can see. I'm gonna continue with this. I drilled 4 holes yesterday to work as for the trigger, and I also welded the bracket yesterday. As you can see here, I did the bracket, and I need to like drill a hole here, do some mechanism so it can't like wiggle or something. So that's what I'm gonna start with. And I also put the helicoil in this aluminium plate over here, so I won't trash the threads if I redo it like 100 times. The future is secure for myself, so that nothing happens out on track. As this isn't a petrol car and the pump is mechanic and there's no ignition or anything, so this is just so I can see the RPMs and have some kind of idea where I am in the power band, and also so I can control like boost pressure and water methanol kit and everything. I think maybe it works on the RPMs or maybe the boost, I'm not sure, but it's a rough idea of where I am, so I can see it in the dash. That's why I'm doing this. Otherwise, you don't need it for this setup. I'm gonna wait now. When this thing is cooling off, I recently welded it. I'm gonna finish off this. The bracket for the handbrake and dual calipers on E34. Gonna grind some off. You see over here, there, and some other small places. I'm gonna see if I can mount it and also mount the other one. And here's the result. From I think episode 2 I started making these, and now they are laser cut and welded the distance on there and ready for the caliper. Also on this side, it's done in 6mm stainless steel, and some distances there are iron, but they're done with the stainless steel rod. I'm very excited about go out and try these mounts with the dual caliper setup. If I'm lucky, I'm getting the car ready to the start of April, so I can be in the first event this year. In the start of April there is a drift event here in Denmark. I think it's a training event. I think that event going to be the first event where I can try my car out and test it and see if everything really works under full load. Of course I need to go on the dyno before that, so I know the engine works. But as far as the caliper goes and the drive train and the front suspension setup I've made this year, so yeah, I'm very excited. But let's get on with this bracket. It's not cold, it's welded, and now I need to mount it over here. And also I need to take down the car. To get some air today, so I just took it outside. Oh, let's go again. Oh! So we're pretty smoky in here now. Smoky Joe. So that was everything for this episode. I hope you liked it. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more of this stuff, and we'll see you next time.